Hello and welcome to this Real Sync video for our integration between Follow Up Boss and Mailchimp. In this video, we will go through how to set up the integration, the different options, as well as how the integration functions. To begin, you will click Add Integration. Your source will be Follow Up Boss and your target will be Mailchimp. You can click on the blue instructions button on each side of the integration for step-by-step instructions on how to set it up. On the Follow Up Boss side, click Connect and it will ask you for an API key. You will want to ensure that this is an owner API key. In the owner account, you will go to Admin, More, and API. Click Create API Key and give it a name. Create the API key and copy, and you will paste it in the field provided. Verify, and once it states it has been verified, click Close. On the Mailchimp side, click Connect and Verify. It will ask you to log in. You will then click Allow. Once it states it has been verified, click Close and Next. Here is where you can name your integration as well as choose your source and target options. Under source options, you have filters for contact created, contact updated, and tag added. Each of these are triggers for the integration. On the target side, under target options, you have audiences, which you will want to go in there and select the audiences that you would like to use. Click Save. And under custom mappings, you can add a tag that will unsubscribe the contact in Mailchimp. You will type in the tag and click Enter. You'll see it appear above. Click Save, Close, and you're ready to activate. Once you see this message, it means that your integration is active. You will click OK, and you will now see it on the Real Sync dashboard. If you hover over the source or target, you will see the wrench icon, which is where you can access your source and target options. Now let's create a lead in Follow Up Boss and watch it go into Mailchimp. I have added information here, and the first name, last name, email address, and phone number will all send over into Mailchimp, as well as any tags that are added. So I'm going to click Add Person, and in just a moment, it will appear in Mailchimp. If we go to Mailchimp, go to All Contacts, it will appear in the audience that was selected on the integration. So I'm going to go ahead and update, and we can see our lead right here. So we've got first name, last name, email address, as well as over here, and then we also have the phone number. This tag here is just the lead ID from Follow Up Boss so that we can use it for matching purposes. So over here in Follow Up Boss, let's do an update. Let's update the phone number and possibly the name. And we will also add a tag. Here's the phone number. I'm going to change the name. And then I am also going to add a quick tag. And we will see it reflected over in Mailchimp. Over here, we should be able to update. And we can see the name has changed. And the phone number has changed. You can see 66 over here. So name and phone number has changed. We are just waiting to see that tag come through. We now see that FUB tag that went through. So we've got the name that updated, the phone number that updated, and that tag that went through. The last thing for this integration is the unsubscribe tag. So let's add that tag here and we will see it unsubscribe over in Mailchimp. Now coming back over here in Mailchimp, we're going to go ahead and update. And we can see that the contact has now been unsubscribed and the tag has been added. This concludes our video for the integration from Follow Up Boss to Mailchimp. Thank you for watching.